SpaceX launch finally successful after multiple delays. Recap and updates from Cape Canaveral Space Force Station. After 4 consecutive days of delays, SpaceX has finally launched Amazon's latest batch of 24 Project Kuiper satellites into low Earth orbit from Cape Canaveral Space Force Station. The Falcon 9 rocket lifted off at 8:35 a.m., marking the 67th orbital rocket launch of 2025 from Cape Canaveral and NASA's Kennedy Space Center. The mission, known as KF-02, faced several setbacks leading up to the successful launch. On Thursday, SpaceX stood down from a liftoff attempt to perform additional vehicle checkouts. Friday's attempt was postponed, Saturday's try was called off due to rain, and Sunday's scrub was triggered by bad booster recovery weather in the Atlantic Ocean. Despite a potentially ominous forecast predicting a moderate chance of poor booster recovery weather again on Monday morning, the launch proceeded as planned. The rocket's first-stage booster targeted landing aboard a SpaceX drone ship out at sea about 8 minutes after liftoff, completing its inaugural mission. Amazon President and CEO Andy Jassy expressed confidence in Project Kuiper's future, stating that it will be one of 2 key players delivering modern low Earth orbit satellite connectivity. Jassy highlighted the need for broadband connectivity worldwide, citing the digital divide that affects households, enterprises, and governments. The successful launch comes on the heels of SpaceX's Crew 10 mission, which returned from the International Space Station on Saturday morning. The Crew 10 splashdown occurred in the Pacific Ocean off the California coast, carrying NASA astronauts Anne McClain and Nicole Ayers, Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency astronaut Takuya Onishi, and Roscosmos cosmonaut Kirill Peskov. Stay tuned for further updates on SpaceX's missions and the progress of Amazon's Project Kuiper, as it aims to provide global broadband connectivity.